doesn't love the sight of fresh food? Too bad, in a matter of minutes it turns into that. I don't know about you, but I'm constantly wondering whether I should throw away my food waste, put it down the disposal, or worse, those disgusting leaking compost bags. Ugh. I mean, where is all the waste supposed to go? That's not what I had in mind. This is why we developed WasteReviver. We wanted something that was beautifully designed and subtle. No one wants to clutter their countertop with some big, ugly trash can. When we throw away our leftovers, we're contributing to the more than 330 billion pounds of food waste in just North America alone each year. How it works is simple. Add in your no longer needed food waste, plastic bags, napkins, paper towels, power on the composter, and turn on the grinder. In no time, you're going to have perfectly fresh soil to use in your garden. We also have a patented cooling process that cools down the now soil in just 5 minutes. There's also a built-in UVC light on the lid that kills off any bacteria and germs from the food. Cleanup is also incredibly easy. Simply lift out the inner container and rinse it off in the sink. Our composter only makes natural, rich soil, not fertilizer. Most people don't know this, but creating fertilizer actually emits a disgusting smell, which attracts way more flies and takes significantly longer to make. To combat any sort of smell, WasteReviver uses a refillable carbon filter that can easily be changed through the side panel. With 6 key buttons placed on top, it's so easy to use, a kid could do it. But if you don't want your little one going full-on button mashing, simply turn on the child lock. See, I told you, being better for the environment doesn't mean you have to be covered in old, disgusting food. Nope, don't even think about it. Backing WasteReviver means you're taking that one step towards a better world for us all. The dolphins thank you. Thank you for helping us bring WasteReviver to life.